When he was painting Kulsum, she passed by this Mal'oon Ibn Muljam. And she said to Ibn Muljam, Inshallah, my Baba will get cured. Ibn Muljam smiled and says, that's your dream. When I bought this sword, I spent 1,000 dinar. And then I bought that poison for 1,000 dinar. And now they realize that the reason Imam is so weak is because of the poison. They call this Iranian doctor Hani bin Umar Saluli. The doctor came, he said, slaughter a goat. He got the vein from the neck and he put that vein, he warmed that and put it on the wound of Amirul Mu'mineen. And he was waiting, everyone was anxiously waiting. They still have the hope that Amirul Mu'mineen get cured. But then, after a while,